Hi friends, welcome to KB's. In this video, we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus box. All sides of the box here you are seeing. We purchased this day before yesterday and this is 5G. Okay, let's open it. Removing the wrapper. Let's start unboxing. Here we find a box. Let's see what's in it later. Yeah, here is our new phone. Now let's take out all its contents. Here we find USB cable, USB power adapter, earphones. Here is the back cover, SIM ejection pin, last but not least, quick start guide.